Hello everybody, this is another success story from our trader community. This is Karl, a retired lawyer from the US who trades the Forex market but as well the futures markets. Now last week his focus was on the Forex and he took 10 trades and he made a total of 19R. Well, big congrats for that. But it's not only the great trading week we had, but he has great and consistent trading results week over week. And we can see his last week's trading the live markets here. Our weekly target being the 2 hour per week. Well, he goes beyond that and even beyond our monthly target of 5 hours. So he's a very consistent trader. Well, the interesting thing is he's a retired lawyer, but his trading style is very intuitive and he specializes basically on system 2. Right, on the lower time frames. Now let's have a look at the trades he took for this last week in the forex markets. Now this is a trade US yen long. This is a trade based on on a stop run move in the higher. Let's just move that higher in the higher time frames. This is the S2 pattern. It's a small pattern, as we can see. There's some congestion, right? Sideways price action in the higher time frames. The trend rules are still fulfilled for one time frame higher 5 minute, 2 time frames higher 15 minute, and this gives a lot of stop run move potential. So let's have a look what happened. Well, it happened what the potential was. This was the stop run level, and it basically goes through that like a knife through a butter, that level, right? And he gets to the 4R level, and this is when his exit algorithm kicks in to bring home a nice R winner. Well, actually there was more to it, because this stop run level down here, 2 time frames higher from where he entered, well, this has not been taken out yet, this level, so we can actually expect this going even further. But he followed the standard exit algorithm, and that's absolutely fine. Now let's have a look at that. Well, this is the same currency pair, US yen. It's just a little bit later, right? And he finds another S2 pattern in the same time frame, the 1 minute. Now the charts have moved into a momentum, right? So we can see here how nicely it is a momentum-driven trade, right? Momentum. So here we can see how this level was broken, and breaking a stop run level can create big moves, right? And big bars. And this is what's happening here. It's in a momentum driven, and it just started to move. So he finds this pattern. It's another S2 entry stop, and he rides the momentum till it ends. This is the name of the game, and we can see it here again. The standard exits are used here, and he gets stopped out with a really nice R multiple. There's more to it. We are looking for a measured move. This is the move, measured move. Or it should go up to the it could go up to the 152 big number level. Now this is another currency pair. It's the US CAD S2. This is a standard trade. We're just nicely trending, steady trends, 1 time frame higher, 2 time frames higher. Well, here we've got swing potential with 3 time frames higher. There's a 200 moving average, and that acts as a magnet, so price is drawn to and then pushed through. This is the stop run level 2, and we could get a spike of the 200. So this is the S2 pattern, very tight stop, and it's just running the trends. Here, well, this is a small winner only. I think he has tightened his stop a bit too early. We basically wait for a pullback, and then with a new low, and then we apply our stop trade. So there was more to it, or the spike of the 200. Now this is another trade, this time in the euro dollar S2 long. We've got a stop run level here. This is the stop. This is the trade and the pattern. And we've got a stop run level. I mean, you can see that's a level that stands out, right? And whenever these levels get broken, it only gets tested here. It gets broken. Well, it needs to go beyond, and then the stops are triggered of those short, and it's basically testing it. And then during this pullback phase of testing this level, well, the S2 forms. And that's a great entry, because it has a lot of swing potential. So let's see what it does. Well, this is how a stop run move looks like, right? The level breaks, and we see a series of big bullish bars. And as we're entering like 2 time frames lower, well, that's a super low risk entry, and it even achieves the 8R level, right? This trade. So this is his biggest R winner that produced. Let's have quick look at it. Well, that produced a 5R, right? While achieving the weekly target, while even achieving the monthly target. So a useful belief is that one good trade a week is enough. Great example. Thank you.